Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had it down.